Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important question. Why learning English is important? Many people think English is only for school, exam or big job. Some people say I can survive without English. Yes, you can survive. But the real question is, do you want to grow or just survive? English is not just a language, it is a tool that can change your life if you use it properly. Let me explain this in a simple way. First of all, English open the door to the better opportunity. Today, many good jobs require basic English. Even if you are skilled, if you cannot communicate in English, your growth become limited. English help you talk to client, managers and companies. It gives you confidence in interview. It help you work in better environment. You may be very talented, but if you cannot express your talent, people will never know your value. English give you a voice. The second reason English is important is confidence. When you speak English, your confidence increase automatically. You feel comfortable talking to new people. You feel less nervous in public places. Many people feel shy only because they cannot speak English. Once you start speaking, that fear slowly disappear. Confidence changes your body language, your thinking and your personality. English is not about showing off, it is about self belief. The third big reason is access to knowledge. Most of information in the world is available in English. Book, courses, research, tutorials and videos, everything is mostly in English. When you know English, you can learn anything. You don't have to wait for translation. You don't have to depend on other. English makes you independent in learning. If you want to improve your skill, learn something new or grow mentally, English help you a lot. Another important reason is global communication. English is a global language. People from different countries use English to communication with each other. If you travel, work online or talk to people from different cultures, English because become very useful. English connected you to the world. It make the world smaller and opportunities bigger. Now let's talk about career growth. English does not guarantee success, but it increases your chance. Many promotions, training and leadership roles require communication skill. When you speak English, people take you more seriously. You can share ideas clearly, you can explain problems, you can suggest solutions. This improve your professional image. Another reason learning English is important is digital growth. Today the internet run in English. Social media, website, apps, online tools, most of them are in English. If you understand English, you can use the internet better. You can learn online skill, earn online and grow digitally. English give you digital freedom. Now let's talk about personal growth. Learning English improve you thinking ability. When you learn a new language, your brain becomes sharper. You learn new way of express ideas. You see the world from a different perspective. English help you express emotions better. You can share your thought, dreams and opinion more clearly. That improve relationship and communication. Another powerful reason is self respect. When you know English, you don't feel left behind. You don't feel insecure when others speak English around you. You feel equal. English remove the feelings of inferiority. it give you destiny in conversation. Now some people say I am too old to learn English. This is a myth. There is no age limit for learning. Learning English depends on practice, not age. If you can learn to use a smartphone, you can learn English. Another excuse is I don't have time. I don't need hours. Even 30 minutes daily is enough. If you are consistent, English is learned step by step, not in one day. Now let me tell you something important. English is not about grammar perfection. English is about communication. Simple English is powerful English. You don't need difficult word. You don't need a foreign accent. You just need confidence and practice. And finally, the most important reason, English give you freedom. Freedom to learn, freedom to grow, freedom to express. When you know English, you depend less on other. You make better decision. You see more possibilities in life. So if you are thinking about learning English, start today, not tomorrow, no next month. Start small, listen daily, speak daily, practice daily. Slow progress is still progress. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Remember, learning English is not become someone else. It is about become a better version of yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Goodbye.